Hey everyone, it's Jonna. I'm here for the hashtag Trinket Tuesday. It's an open collaboration that I started a few weeks ago because of my love all of my life for small little trinkets and things just that make me happy. And I started using the things I had in my junk journals, making charms, making dangles, and I noticed that people were kind of had the same love that I had, but also didn't really know how to use them, store them, things like that. So I started this series, and if you have a love for trinkets or you want to get involved, all you have to do is put the hashtag in, which is hashtag Trinket Tuesday, and then just tag me at the Preppy Crafty Girl. So I would love to see what you've been collecting, how you're using them, and just share the joy of your little trinket collection. I have a new one that I just got, and I'm so excited because it's Charlie Brown and Lucy, and it's psychiatric help, 5 cents. The doctor is in. Love it, love it. Okay. So anyway, anything like that just makes you happy. Today I'm going to talk about how we can attach our trinkets, and I'm going to show you how I drill holes in them using a Dremel tool, or I also have a few other things that I use. I also want to talk about how you can attach them using jump rings, using bails, using just different adhesives that I've used that I find work, and that's how we're going to get started today. So first I'm going to start out by showing you how I would add. Now, something like this, you could just tie it on. You could use a jump ring right here because the hole is really big, but normally I would just tie something like this on that already has the hole in it. And that is something that you can look for, items that actually have holes in them. So there's that. Next, what I did was I have these cute little soap bubble things, and I wanted to put these on my Candyland swap charms. So all I did for these was I use a walnut hollow, which I will link below. I'm gonna have my Amazon links below, and so that you can find it. But it's just a Dremel tool. They have different things you can use at the end, different drill bits and things like that. And you just have to, depending on the size of your jump ring or the thread and stuff, that's going to determine the size of your drill bit. And it may take a little bit of trial and error, you know, drilling different things. And I just have an all-purpose drill bit, so it goes through plastic pretty easy. This thing is older than the Hills. I've had it, oh my goodness, I can't even tell you, probably over 2 decades. And I use it all the time. So all you do is at the bottom, this is now my tool. It's very loud, but all you do is just drill it a hole. So here's another plastic one, little game piece. I think I'm gonna kind of probably go in all the way or at an angle. And sometimes you have to kind of pulse it. And I would do this over a block of wood. I'm just gonna drill in through the top, and I did this one at an angle, so I'll be able to then go ahead and do that. This is a poker chip. I can just drill right into that. This is a little monkey from the Barrel of Monkeys. I'm just gonna drill into his hand. You can take little toys. I'm going to continue using my Dremel tool to put holes in all these little trinkets. I will be back next week for part 2, where I show you how I put holes in bottle caps and other objects, and I will talk about different ways of attaching these items to turn them into cute charms for your junk journals, diaries, planners, however you want to use it, even fun jewelry. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Come join in on the fun and grab your glue gun. It's the Preppy Crafty Girl Show.